Hello everyone, welcome back to another Hubspot training. On this chapter we're going to be having a quick look at the templates we can use when we're sending emails. So to create a template, you go to conversations and underneath snippets you find templates. I'm going to click that, and as you can see I have one template I have created already, and as you can see it's using the same blocks that we have used in the past. So he's catching the first name of our contact as we use this template on email. And for the fields that we do not have access, but we want to keep that as a variable, we're going to use this underline, but this one we have typed in ourselves, just so we can add in the text ourselves before we're sending the email. Scroll down, we're going to get to the end of the email. Here you can do formatting, make it bold, italic. There are more options for you here. If you want to change the color, paragraphs, you can add a link, images. Here you'll be adding the same fields we have added in the past. Just simply click on that and then it's going to catch the field. And you can save as a new template or update existing template. For our case, we're just going to hit cancel for now because it's already made. Now to use the template, if you go to contacts, so we're going to click on Allen Sugar. Now if we go to emails, there are no emails here tracked at the moment. On the emails will only be tracked after the first email have been sent. So emails you have not sent in the past, they won't be tracked. So to give an example, I'm going to send an email now. So we talked about these in the previous videos. You can do a task here for you. You can see the information about the contact. We just send a test email, so let's just send. And it should take a minute, but we're going to refresh the page and the email should be tracked into the system. As you can see, it has already appeared as an activity. If you go to emails, it also shows as an email. What we're going to do is create an email. He's taking the previous block I have used. So I want to add a template here. So what I'm going to do is click template here on the top. As you can see, it does not show any templates at the moment, but that's because the filter is showing only mine templates. So what you want to do is that you want to check any users, and then you're going to see this one which was created by Chris. So we're going to select the template, and that will be automatically be populated into your email. And here you can add the custom fields to change your email according to your needs. And that's how you use a template on HubSpot.